Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the software. ZenLedger.io offers tax software specifically designed to simplify the often complex process of cryptocurrency tax reporting. Navigating the world of digital asset taxes can be daunting, and ZenLedger aims to alleviate this burden. Their platform caters to both individuals and businesses involved with cryptocurrency transactions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out with digital assets, ZenLedger offers a range of tools and features to help you accurately calculate your tax obligations. The software integrates with a wide variety of exchanges and wallets, allowing users to import their transaction history seamlessly. This automated data import feature drastically reduces the risk of manual entry errors and saves valuable time. ZenLedger supports a number of tax forms, including Form 8949, Schedule D, and Form 1040, ensuring comprehensive coverage for various tax reporting requirements. For users with more intricate tax situations, ZenLedger offers advanced features like tax loss harvesting tools. This feature helps identify opportunities to offset gains with losses, potentially minimizing your overall tax liability. The platform also provides access to tax professionals, offering personalized guidance and support to navigate specific tax scenarios. This combination of automated tools and professional support makes ZenLedger a robust solution for both novice and experienced cryptocurrency investors. Beyond individual users, ZenLedger also caters to businesses operating within the cryptocurrency space. Their platform provides tailored solutions for businesses, accommodating larger transaction volumes and complex accounting needs. ZenLedger's business solutions are designed to streamline tax reporting processes, improving efficiency and ensuring compliance. The user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing even those unfamiliar with cryptocurrency tax software to easily navigate its features. ZenLedger offers various pricing plans to cater to different needs and transaction volumes, providing flexibility for users. From basic tax reporting to advanced tax optimization strategies, ZenLedger strives to offer a comprehensive solution for managing cryptocurrency taxes. If you're involved with digital assets, it's definitely worth exploring ZenLedger.io to simplify your tax reporting.